Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic game tutorials how to gradient fill. Okay, here I will create new file and as example we draw for simple shape. You can use the rectangle select. I will cut rectangle in it. Now if you want to fill with a gradient, you can click on bucket fill tools, click, hold and then choose gradient. After it, you can change for gradient type at this point. You can click this for gradient type with default. And to apply, you can only select inside the object. I will click in here to be show plus icons, and then you can click again plus icon, move to the left like this. You can move to the top in it. And if you want to change color, you can click at these options and then change like blue. Click OK. Click select and then none. This is to create all background. So if you want to only select in this area, you can click. Okay, after it, click at this icon, move tools, and then click select, click none. Okay, that's it for basic game tutorials how to gradient fill. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.